The OEMTOOLS Steering Wheel Puller set is used to pull steering wheels off all major makes of automobiles. It includes 5 sets of pulling screws with washers and swivels. Let's get started. Loosen the steering wheel retaining nut, but do not remove it. Lubricate and thread the pressure screw into the yoke. Position the puller and bolts, threading both bolts equally into the steering wheel. Tighten the center bolt of the puller until the steering wheel is free. Remove the tool, retaining nut, and steering wheel. How to use the steering wheel lock plate depressor. Screw the metric or SAE threaded collar onto the center steering wheel column until it is attached securely. The hex screw that was supplied with the unit and stored on the side of the unit will lock down the telescoping steering columns while you remove the lock plate. Place the lock plate yoke over the threaded collar and install the washer and nut. While holding the yoke, use a wrench to turn the nut on the collar. This will push the lock plate down and allow removal of the retaining ring at the base of the lock plate.